So you want to take your 3D object and make a drawing out of it that you can put dimensions on it, maybe do some orthographic layouts with your top, front, and side views. Let's do that. So to start, you need to have a part file. If you have downloaded it from Google Classroom, it should be in your downloads folder. I saved mine in the desktop. You need to be able to find your own files. So what you do in Autodesk Inventor, we are going to make a new, hover over that, drawing. This is going to use our part file to create a drawing file. Now here, it's laid out as a beautiful piece of paper. First thing we need to do is make sure that our sheet is the correct size. So we right-click the sheet in the browser and we go Edit Sheet. Now, it's telling me it's a size D paper. What is a size D paper? I don't know. Let me look. Okay, name sheet, size D. Oh, there's different types. Okay. Oh, height, 22 inches, and width is 34. Nah. We're trying to use computer paper. So we go until we see 8.5 by 11. It's not in here. So let's check out an A sheet. Oh, look at that. 8.5 by 11. We're good. We are going to say OK. And now what I want you to do is delete the ANSI large. Click it, press delete. We don't need that for this class. Now what we're going to do is press the base view. This is going to be the original view that you use for your object. We click. Looks like we have to load something. I say that because there's a file path. So if it's not showing up, I click Open an existing file. I would find, I gotta find it. So I go to Desktop, and it should be, light switch cover. Beautiful. I'm so glad I named my drawing. Now, I can say the scale I want using this drop-down. 1/4 inch? Nah. Too small. 1:2? Nah. Let's try 1:1. Ooh. This actually would work out and fit my page nicely. Now, in case your object comes up the wrong way, let's say it loaded like this. That's no good. That's not a front view. The view cube that shows up will allow you to choose which side is the front. Front is the front. We're good. Say OK. Bam! We got a drawing. And look at this. It gave us hidden lines. Thank you so much, Autodesk Inventor. You made my life beautiful. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make projections. So you will see the projected icon at the top in the ribbon. You click it. And now we are going to choose the object to project from. Click it. Oh. So now I clicked once and I move my mouse and I can choose where to put the projected image. I'm going to give myself some space. Looks good. Oh, I can even do an isometric. Look how beautiful. I put it in the corner so it fits. Now you right-click, press Create. So now that we created it, it has already given me my hidden lines, my object lines for all 3 views. It's really handy. If your software does not give you this automatically, it may be because it's an older version of Inventor. So ask me, I'll help you as best I can. One last thing that we need to do, and it's actually dimension. So we go to the Annotate tab, which is up at the top. It's one of the tabs, opens up a whole new ribbon. And this is going to show you anything that could be a note for your drawing. So this is anything if you want to just write notes. So dimensioning would be considered notes. We're going to do dimension. This works very similarly to the dimension tool in the part creation portion. So I click my 2 outside measurements. I get 3 inches. I'm going to put this a little further back. Just say OK. We don't need to make any changes there. You can dimension from here to here. And it tells us the distance is 0.13 because it should be 1/8 of an inch, which is 0.125. I didn't set up the tolerance. We can say, okay, the center of the circle to the edge. Actually, no, I don't like this. I'm going to make some changes. I'm actually going to go through and I'm going to add dimensions right now. Good. I have all my dimensions set up. My height dimensions are between my front view and my side view. I have my width dimensions here on the top of the object. It includes the border. It's got the total width. I've got 1.5 inches, which is the center here. Oh, I'm missing one. I'll just do that real quick. Doop, doop, doop. And it even has the width of the light switch cover portion. I'm going to press escape, and I'm going to, well, I guess I can't fit the 40 in there. However, I now am able to print my plans and bring them over to a wood shop or a machine shop to actually create the object. At this point, all you'd have to do is press File, and you could save it, or you could print it, and you're all set.